Hi guys, I'm Cameron and I'm going to show you the most user-friendly machine for your shop floor inspection. So the operator can very simply place a part on a stage and press play on a pre-written program. Within a few seconds the machine will have identified the part, the position and orientation, and then given you a result of what it's found. So within 3 seconds I found 16 dimensions, and very easily I can go in and analyse the dimensions which have been found. Extremely easy, extremely basic to use for the operators, and even easier to program. As well as having a pre-written program, the Metrios also has a very user-friendly operator walk-up mode. So the operator can place on the stage and then either using backlight or ring light, they can draw around a component. So if I want my distance, I can draw a line, choose my 2 lines and get a distance between it. Same with my diameter, so I can zoom in exactly like you do with your iPhone, draw a circle, and it will then give me the diameter value of that component. Extremely easy to use and requires very minimal operator training to get high accuracy results.